speaking of skating and ice, any tips for skating anywhere else in the universe?
Earth does not have ownership of all the ice that's going on. So Mars has polar ice caps, as does Earth, that shrink and grow seasonally, as does Earth. And while we're there, Mars rotates about once every 24 hours, as does Earth. So that's why Mars is such an object of our affection as a possible second planet that we might inhabit after we trash Earth. But if you want to go beyond Mars, one of my favorite objects out there, celestial objects, is a moon of Jupiter called Europa.
Europa.
Ooh. Love me some Europa. This is far beyond the warm habitable zone, the Goldilocks zone, where the temperature is just right to sustain liquid water. Too close, if you have water and you're too close to the sun, it evaporates. Too far away, it freezes. Europa is well outside of this zone, but beneath this surface of frozen water is a liquid ocean. It's been liquid for billions of years. There's an energy source from Jupiter stressing the shape of Europa in ways that are not fundamentally different from, if you ever play racket sports, they say, let's warm up the ball.
Right.
Yes.
What are you doing? You are compressing the ball for every hit, and then the ball restores its shape, ready for you to smack it again.
Okay.
You are pumping energy.
So this is through gravitational...
Yes, so what's happening is there are what we call tidal forces that distort the physical shape of Europa. And as Europa goes around Jupiter, it's then distorted in another way. And then in another way. So it's constantly getting harassed by Jupiter and other surrounding moons. So that collects as energy deep within, and it melts the ice.
So it's like when you bend a paperclip back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Oh, yeah, so it's matter getting stressed and heat. And why does it get hot? You're putting energy into it by bending it back and forth.
So Jupiter is putting energy into
Jupiter
Europa.
and surrounding moons are conspiring to make this happen. Okay, so now watch. So you have a nice surface of ice on Europa. In principle, you could go skating there. However, this ice is not on top of a rigid surface as a normal skating rink would be. It's afloat an ocean. So what happens? The ocean moves, the ice cracks, water seeps up, refreezes. So there is no smooth Zambonified surface on Europa. So I don't know that I guess you could bring a Zamboni there. That would be a really wealthy civilization.
Hey, let's smooth out Europa, guys.
Just so we go ice skating on it.
Let's go skate. We're gonna. Yes, more than wealthy.